everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. As many times as I would go to the Dollar Tree, I can't believe I didn't know that Dollar Tree sold these. What am I talking about? Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to my longtime friends and my longtime subscribers. In case you haven't heard, I am now on Twitter. Yep, I'm tweeting. So my handle is scrolling across the screen if you want to go out to Twitter. So I only have one post right now, but I do plan on doing some posting on Twitter. Did you know that the Dollar Tree sold these? Maybe you can't see them, but they are prayer cards and then inspirational and scripture cards. And these are so wonderful. I didn't do a Make a Card Monday video, but we are going to use these to make a really special card folio. So, y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. And here's what I'm talking about. They have these beautiful prayer cards as well as some inspirational and scripture cards. I am going to take them out of the box so you can see how these are. So on the front of these are 4 by 6, and on the front it says today's prayer, and then each one has a prayer on the back. So you have rejoice always, let love be genuine, abhor what is evil, hold fast to what is good, and that is Romans 12:9. So if you wanted to, you could create a month's worth of prayers for someone and hand it off. Or you can do what we're going to do today, which is use one of these in our sweet folio. And then we have these awesome little 4x4s. And what I like about these, they are truly inspirational. So on the front, you have a nice inspirational saying, but on the back, you also have a scripture, but you have space here to write a message to someone. And that is truly what these cards are meant to be. They're meant to be inspirational along with your own personalized message at the top. So we're going to use these to make today's awesome project. So here is today's awesome project. We are going to make this really sweet folio that is going to open like this. And inside we're going to have our little prayer card for the day. Then I'll have some embellishments here. And then on this side we will have our inspirational card that we can write a message on. And then we'll be able to tuck it back in like that. So here is what we're going to need to make it. I have another piece of that beautiful 12 by 12 decorative paper. And then I have 2 pieces of mat, and this measures 7 1/4 by 4 3/4. Then I have a scrap piece of mat. I have one 4 by 4 inspirational card, and this one says faith, hope, and love. And here at the bottom it says, give thanks to the Lord because he is good, because his faithful love endures forever. And this is 1 Chronicles 16:34. And then I have today's prayer that I'll be putting on the inside. You are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. And that is Matthew 5:14. And then I'm going to be using some of these stickers and embellishments from a company called Creative Devotion. I actually found these at Pop Shelf. I knew nothing about this company, didn't even know they existed. But if you're looking for things like this, Creative Devotion is a wonderful place to get those. So we have a whole bunch of stickers on here. And then I have a couple of pieces of ephemera that I'm going to use. And I have a scrap piece, and this is truly scrap. And I'll show you what we'll be doing with that in just a minute. Then I have one piece of Velcro that I'm going to cut in half. And that is what we're going to use to fasten the folio. So I'm bringing in my scoreboard, and on one of the 12-inch sides, we are going to score at 3. And then we're going to score at 10 1/2. And then we'll turn it once, and we're going to score at 5 and at 10. So then we're just going to fold and burnish those scores that we made. And And then we're going to do some cutting to remove some of the bulk. So this is the bottom portion. So with it folded like this, we're just going to go up to that score mark and angle. And that's going to cut that just like that. Then we're going to fold over this 2-inch piece and we're going to do the same thing. And now I'm just going to remove this end piece. And when I remove it, I'm actually cutting up at an angle like that. Then we're going to do the same thing here at the top. So I'll go to that score mark and I'm just going to angle cut going in. And then I'm going to remove this piece by angling there. Then I'll fold this piece. We'll go to that score mark and we're going to angle. So what we have done, wherever we had a fold, we have removed some of that bulk, and that's just going to make it easier for this to fold in. So now I'm going to bring in my glue. Here's that narrow panel. We'll skip this one and we're going to take that glue and we're just going to glue this piece closed. Like that. So this is really going to be one pocket. On the other, I had 2 pockets, but on this one, I only want 1. And if you want 2 pockets, then don't glue that closed. So I'm going to add some tape here at the top on both of these pieces. We are going to fold over. And your project piece should look like this. Then we're going to take our 2 pieces that measure 7.5 by 4 3/4, and we're going to place one down right here. And I'm just going to place it down using my Reptile adhesive. You can use tape. You can use a glue stick on this if you want, completely up to you. And then I'm going to take this and we'll put it right here. So then I'm going to take my glue, add some glue to this piece. We're going to put it down, get it nice and stuck. And then we added some glue right here to the edge, and that's giving us that little pocket. So now I can take this prayer card, put it in the pocket. Instead of cutting slits, I've decided to add just a little bit of my repositionable tape. We're going to put a little bit right there. Now we'll be able to take this card and we can place it right there, and it's going to stay in place. Then when you need to lift it to write your message, it comes right off, and you can see we didn't tear the paper at all. And then we can place it down again right there. So now I'm going to take my little pieces of ephemera. We're going to add those right here. So I'll put down some glue. We'll put that right there. Then I have this piece that says Grace. I'm going to put it right there. Adding some glue. Let me stand it up and look at it just to make sure I have it nice and straight. Then I'm going to bring in my pack of stickers. And again, I'm going to use the sticker that says Abounding in Hope. Now these stickers are pretty translucent, so I am going to take just some white scrap and place it down so that you can definitely see the message. And then I'm just going to trim out that excess. You can place it in your trimmer if you like. Then I'm going to take this piece. We're going to add some glue to the back. I'll bring in the scrap piece. We're going to place that down. And this time I am going to bring in my trimmer. And I'm going to trim. And so now we can fold it, and we're going to put that right there. So I am just going to take some glue, place my glue, put this piece right here. Then I'm going to take my Velcro dot and I'm just going to cut it in half because I don't want to use all of this on this project. So I'll take half of that Velcro dot, place it right there, and then I'll fold over. And then I think I just want to take a sticker and I'm going to put it right here so that when you remove the prayer card, you still have a nice little inspirational message. And there we have it, y'all. We have the sweetest, most inspirational folio that I have made on the channel. This truly is a message of hope and love in this folio. And this is perfect to gift to anyone. And you can place this in one of the cellophane bags and just mail it. Or if you didn't have the message on the outside, you can seal this and mail it this way. But it is absolutely gorgeous, so easy. And I love how my magic tape works. So you can write your message on the back and just stick it down right there. And I'm only putting the tape at the top because it'll be raised and you'll know to lift up. And here is the first one that I made. On this one, I made it with 2 pockets. On this one, I sealed the pocket and we only have a 1 pocket folio, but this is absolutely adorably cute. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed today's awesome way to use these prayer cards and blessing cards from the Dollar Tree. If you have, please hit that like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.